So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and it's a no contact reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description. For personal readings and healing sessions, check out the description box and book your slots. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass, link is given below. So let's start. Okay. Gemini, your person or your partners, the person that you're no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. We have the Two of Cups and the Seven of Cups and the Two of Pentacles. So their feelings are very unstable. Someday they feel a lot of love for you, like you are the love of their life and nobody can take your place or something like that. Then they get distracted by multiple things or multiple people or multiple energies in their life, and they feel like, no, you are not the one for them. Maybe they should explore more, or maybe they should hang out with other people, other energies also, and find their soulmate somewhere else. So this is somebody who is highly unstable in their emotions regarding the situation between you and them. Even if they're trying their best to like think about you only or think about this situation only, they're getting distracted by multiple things and multiple people and multiple energies around them. So you can say multiple, it's like emotional confusion and emotional unstable kind of energies that they're going through right now at this present moment. They don't want to do it, but it's happening. Let's see what are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey. What this person wants from you. We have the Queen of Swords, the Fool card, and the King of Swords. See, their intention is to clear the air with you in a very clear-cut manner. Even if it is going to hurt both of you, this person wants to clear the air with you. Basically, you can say this person wants to fight with you the way you want to fight with them. Basically, it might have like it's very much possible that something happened between you guys where one of you hurt the other person very badly. Now it's like a little bit of revengeful energy where they want to give you the taste of your own medicine. If they are the one who hurt you, they are still in the fighting mode. They still want to prove their point. They still want to clear the air with you, but in that clearing the air, they want to prove some point of theirs. And they want equal participation from your side. Like, for example, if they're fighting, they want you to fight also, right? So that you guys can be on the same page and nobody is feeling regret or guilt about it. Strange, right? But this is what this person wants from you, from the situation. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb, honey. We have the Hierophant, the Queen of Cups, the Magician. See, they are manifesting this energy of self-love, self-care, self-healing, and going beyond this on and off, in and out, and going beyond this energy of trying to find the stability in their life. It's like this person is trying to find the stability in their own life, especially emotional stability. So they're manifesting this energy of self-love, self-care, self-healing, and spiritual growth in their life right now, so that they can get over these kind of situations, because this is a cycle in their life that keeps on repeating. And even if they're trying on a physical level to break this cycle, it's not happening. So they are manifesting this energy of self-love, self-care, self-healing to the level of understanding what they should do and what they should not do in order to gain that kind of peace and manifest their true love and their true soulmate in their life. So I don't see them taking any kind of action because they are in their own chaos, they are in their own conflicts. I don't see this person being very clear on what they should do in order to sort it out with you. So they are just trying to sort it out with themselves first. Okay. For you, the guidance here is the Temperance. Patience is the key here. Do not lose your mind. Do not lose your temper. Patience is the key. Patience doesn't mean that patiently wait for this person to come back and sort it out with you and make your life happier or something. Patience here means slowly but surely you have to let go of this person, this situation out of your life, out of your system, and do your own thing. Work on your own energies, work on your own self-growth, self-love, and self-healing, and let it go. But with patience. It's not going to happen in one day, but one day it's definitely going to happen. There's a difference. Okay, keep going, honey. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.